Hello guys, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident, and welcome to my channel Dr. JTM. So today a notification is being circulated in the social media that NMC has released some guidelines regarding NEET PG 2021 exam and also regarding UG MBBS students exams also. And also they have released something regarding opening of medical colleges. So let's see what they have released, and I will definitely brief you everything regarding NEET PG 2021. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM and also click the bell icon for notifications. So let's get it started. So this is an official notification that we got, and also another two notifications are also there. So let me show you them also. So this is another one that is being circulated in the social media. So, and this is another one. So in these both images I have highlighted the points that are important for NEET PG 2021, but I will definitely summarize everything. I had information regarding it. So let's see what they are trying to tell us. So NEET PG exam for the year 2020 and 21 is scheduled mostly around March-April 2021. Colleges for new PGs for year 2021 should begin by 1st July 2021. So these are some recommendations that NMC is trying to tell us that they are gonna conduct the NEET 2021 exam by March or April. So, and also whatever, there is a long delay, right? They had to conduct in the January, but they are conducting in the March or April. But is that a loss? No, I don't think so, because the admissions definitely will be from 1st July only. So anyway, it is only 1 month of extension for admissions, but 2 to 3 months of delay of the examination. And about interns, that is 2015 batch, what NMC told is, as the current batch of interns have not completed their required clinical training, their internship will be delayed. So they are trying to tell, as due to the COVID pandemic, the internship may delay for about a month. Exactly, for about a month. So internship has been extended. So let's see the next point. So that NEET PG exam for year 2021 will probably be delayed. So they are taking into consideration of both interns and also currently preparing NEET PG aspirants. So considering everyone, they are trying to postpone the exam. About UG MBBS students, that is 2016 batch, 2017 batch and 2018 batch, colleges to these batches should be reopened by December 1st, 2020. And university exams are probably held by March-April 2020. So they are telling that respective universities of the states can start the medical colleges from December 1st onwards. So let's wait your state university to release a notification regarding opening of the college, but Central Health Ministry has provided a nod to open the medical colleges. So let's see next what happens. The classes for new MBBS academic batch 2020-21 mostly commences from 1st February 2021. Commission also noted that all the medical colleges affiliated hospitals need to have both outpatient and also inpatient services to facilitate UG training. So they are also telling us that for all the hospitals which are now considered as COVID hospitals should have an inpatient and also outpatient, so that even clinical training will start. The postings, ward postings will be starting for these batches if colleges are opened. This is another tentative schedule for MBBS curriculum from 2021 to 2024 released by NMC. So according to this, 2016, 17, 18 batches will have examination in the April. So this states university exams for 2019 batch are scheduled for February 2021. Exams for 2016, 17 and 18 batches are probably scheduled to April 2021. So that is about the UG people, UG MBBS students. So regarding their examinations and college openings, what should NEET PG aspirants do now? So they have said exam might be in March or April. So it's almost like again 100 days of time. It is also a positive point and also a negative point. What is the positive point? We have a lot of time to study. We can make multiple revisions. We can pick up what are our weaker areas, and also we can improve in that aspects. But what is the negative aspect? We need to study for a longer duration of time. Generally, if it's done by January. But now it's up to March. We need to study for 2 more months. And how we students, NEET PG aspirants will feel is that we need to study prolonged time, and how much time should I study and all. But don't worry, I'm gonna give you NEET schedules and plans and strategies so that you can crack your NEET PG. And also any doubts regarding NEET PG, you can always comment or contact us with the links that we have provided, and do also watch other videos regarding NEET PG, the strategies and plans that I have done previously, and the links to them are in the description. And I will come back with some great videos on NEET PG aspirants, and any updates I will definitely bring it to you. Don't worry, keep watching this place. Till then, bye, see you again.